Rabindranath Tagore's short story The Homecoming is a poignant tale about love, loss, and redemption, exploring the themes of family, identity, and belonging. The story revolves around a rebellious boy named Phatik Chakravarti, his longing for acceptance, and the tragic turn of events that ultimately shape his fate. Phatik Chakravarti is a 14-year-old boy living in a rural village in Bengal. He is restless, mischievous, and often finds himself in trouble due to his impulsive behavior. Phatik is the leader of a group of boys in the village and enjoys creating playful mischief. However, his pranks often land him in trouble, particularly with his younger brother, Makhan. One day, Phatik comes up with an idea to roll a heavy log into the river. His friends agree, but Makhan, who is more obedient and reserved, opposes the plan. In a fit of rage, Phatik pushes Makhan, and the younger boy falls to the ground, crying. Their mother scolds Phatik severely and shows obvious favoritism toward Makhan, which makes Phatik feel unloved and misunderstood. Phatik's life takes a sudden turn when his uncle, Bishambar, visits the village. Bishambar, who lives in Calcutta, offers to take Phatik with him to the city. Phatik is thrilled by the prospect of leaving behind his troubles and starting a new life in the bustling city. Despite Phatik's excitement, his mother is indifferent. She quickly agrees to let him go, viewing him as a burden. Phatik, feeling unwanted, leaves for Calcutta with dreams of a better life. Upon arriving in Calcutta, Phatik is overwhelmed by the city's noise and chaos. He struggles to adapt to the unfamiliar environment. His uncle Bishambar tries to enroll him in school, but Phatik's rural background and poor academic performance make it difficult for him to fit in. Phatik's aunt, however, resents his presence. She sees him as an unnecessary responsibility and treats him coldly. Phatik becomes increasingly homesick and longs to return to his village where he felt free and happy, despite his troubles. As days pass, Phatik's health deteriorates. He becomes feverish and mentally distressed. His uncle, noticing his condition, tries to comfort him, but Phatik's longing for home deepens. In his delirium, Phatik imagines himself back in his village, playing with his friends and experiencing the freedom he once enjoyed. He repeatedly asks when he will be taken home, expressing his deep desire to see his mother. Phatik's condition worsens and he becomes critically ill. In his final moments, he repeatedly mutters, "Mother, I want to go home." His uncle, realizing the depth of Phatik's longing, sends for his mother. However, by the time Phatik's mother arrives, it is too late. Phatik passes away before he can reunite with her. His mother, overcome with grief, regrets her harsh treatment of him and mourns the loss of her son, who only ever wanted to be loved and accepted. The Homecoming is a powerful story that resonates with readers on an emotional level. It reminds us of the importance of love, understanding, and compassion in family relationships. Phatik's tragic fate is a reflection of the pain of neglect and the longing for home, making the story a timeless exploration of human emotions. Tagore's The Homecoming highlights the theme of family and belonging. Phatik's desire to be loved by his family and find a place where he belongs is central to the story. The story also highlights the theme of alienation and loneliness. Phatik feels isolated both in his village and in Calcutta, emphasizing the emotional toll of feeling unloved. The story also covers the theme of maternal love and regret. The story portrays the complex relationship between a mother and her child, illustrating how regret often follows neglect. Phatik's story is a reminder that love, belonging, and understanding are what that truly make a house a home. Phatik's tragic fate urges us to cherish those around us before it's too late. If you enjoyed this narration and analysis, do like, comment, and subscribe for more stories that touch the heart and inspire the mind.